In the autumn of 1796, as I prepared to leave public service, I delivered a parting message to this young republic, a message drawn from experience and concern for its future. In my farewell address, I warned against the dangers of political factions. I feared that unchecked divisions would distort the government's purpose, shifting its focus from the common good to narrow partisanship. These divisions, I cautioned, would inflame animosities, undermine national unity, and make our government vulnerable to manipulation by cunning individuals or external forces. Today, my fears have come to fruition in ways I could scarcely have imagined. Two pivotal policies, the contract with America, championed by Newt Gingrich, and the Southern strategy, led by Lee Atwater, have institutionalized the very divisions I warned against. The contract with America, introduced in the 1990s, reshaped American politics by framing governance as a relentless battle for partisan dominance. Under this approach, bipartisanship was portrayed as weakness, and defeating political opponents became more important than solving the challenges facing our nation. It institutionalized a climate of polarization, making compromise nearly impossible and pushing our government closer to dysfunction. The Southern strategy, crafted and perfected by political tacticians like Lee Atwater, exploited racial and cultural divisions as tools for political gain. This strategy weaponized identity and resentment, using the fears and prejudices of some Americans to secure power for a select few. It undermined the principles of equality and unity that are essential to our republic, deepening the divides among our citizens and weakening the bonds that hold us together. These policies are not just blemishes on our political landscape, they are threats to the very foundation of our democracy. When government prioritizes division over unity, when it serves the interests of the few over the common good, it is the people who suffer most. This republic has weathered adversity before, not through despair, but by the resolve and courage of its people. The divisions we face today, though deep, are not insurmountable. It is within your power to confront these challenges, to reject the forces that seek to divide, and to build a future grounded in cooperation and shared purpose. We must hold our leaders accountable to the highest standards of integrity and service. It is not enough to simply oppose division. We must actively foster understanding, dialogue, and unity. Working together to advance the common good is not just a responsibility, it is a testament to the strength of this nation's character. This republic was not built to serve the ambitions of the few, but to reflect the will of the many. Its foundations rest on justice, equality, and a profound commitment to liberty. The power to shape its future lies not in the hands of a select group, but in the collective will of the people. Let us rise to this moment with conviction, embrace the principles that have guided us through the most turbulent times, and cast aside the practices that erode the bonds of our union. The work will demand effort, sacrifice, and unwavering resolve, but it is work worth doing, for ourselves and for the generations yet to come. The Republic's destiny is not preordained. It is forged by the actions of its citizens. Choose wisely, act boldly, and secure the enduring promise of liberty and unity for all.